And part 3 of the thunderstorm that we haven't seen in like 3 months. Here I am standing out in the middle of the street with a video camera. Let's see what's over there. Not much of anything. Yeah, this storm's dying off already. Whoa! Yeah, just let's see that. Neat. Lots of wind, lots of lightning, no rain. Go out here a little bit. Maybe we'll catch something. That's my house. Big gust of wind. Come on for the ride. Here I am standing in the middle of the fucking street just videotaping a storm. Just for you guys. Risking getting hit by all that. Lightning. Just so you guys have some entertainment. Nice. That was beautiful. I'm only going to do 3 parts. I don't feel like doing a 4th. I'm holding this camera for 23 minutes. Oh, that is nice. Ooh, that one was even better than the one I just missed. There's a card in there. Whoa, I don't know if I captured that one. Might have. At least it's summer and it's not too cold. Again, it doesn't get cold in Arizona anyways. Go out to the street some more. Oh, that was a miss one. Yeah, I got that one. That'll make up for the one I missed. Darn, I wish this camera picked up lights better. Yeah, that's my house. So I got that light on, a bright ass light, and you can't even see it. Time for a new camera. Aw, just missed another good one. Nice. Whew. There's another gust. I don't know if you can. Now you heard that. Aw, flash lightning. Oh, that seems to be more lightning over here. Let's go over here. Like I said, I'm only doing 3 parts of this video. Only 3 parts to this video. I don't feel like doing a 4th one. That sound would be my flag whipping in the wind. What? Oh, that way. It's in the sky. Oh man, that's just a downpour over there. Yeah. Don't worry about the neighbors. You can't even see them, see their house anyways. Dang. I don't know if I caught that one. So I put my life in jeopardy for these YouTubers once again. No, that was a good one. 2.5 minutes. Yeah, that's a downpour. I saw that. I'm holding this camera up for 28 minutes now. It's getting kind of tiring. A little bolt. Oh, you call that lightning, huh? Just any bigger sparks coming from a flyback transformer. That was nice though. It's a nice little storm. Got another one on the way. Here's a wind. At least it's not hot anymore. It's like what, like 80 degrees? It's pretty good for Arizona in the summer. At least it's not 120 like it was the other week. 118 to be certain, or be specific. Nice. I caught that one. You got 20 seconds. Alright. What a way to end a video with thunderstorms. That'll go 13 minutes on this video. Could be a half an hour of sitting here videotaping this thing. It is